morning and hello to all of you beautiful people. Ngekamoyo phumzila akachili maphosam katsani. Fazawela matena wangeni koma ngakavunulwa vunilisa mfazi umsuthu akanoli kuchili maphosam katsani. Golongwane chila kamasenga nomanziyani. Yay! If you're new here, get a hello, and hello. And if you're returning, get a no maini pozayami, no maini chayami. Izolezi, you, my baby, are on the right channel. Whether you're old or new, remember to like, comment down below, make sure that you are subscribed. Don't forget to hit the notification bell because, baby, I don't want you to miss out on anything that happens on this channel. Talking about this channel, we have one rule and one rule only. And that rule is that we do not, I repeat, we do not skip ads because, baby, we just trying to make some shmoney, honey, periodically, period. And talk about shmoney, we have an extra button called the thanks button that you can utilize to donate from as little as R1 or $1 all the way to all the money in your bank, honey. And if you can't utilize the thanks button, watching ads is still as sufficient. Welcome, guys. As you saw in the title, we are doing our nails. So this video is sponsored by Btartbox Nails. They said, nah, Amazipo Mtwaneni. So we are happy. We're gonna be doing our nails. Here is our box. We're gonna be unboxing. So this is the box that I received. It's got amazing stuff. I already kind of unboxed because lighting issues, you know this. So thank you Btartbox for sponsoring. Guys, these nails are viral. Everyone has been going on about them. So I said, you know what? I also want to try and get some good stuff, you know? So I want to see what everyone has been raving about by getting these nails on these nails. So we're gonna be putting them in. We got some tips. They have a new range, which are tips. They can have them in all colors. I'm talking brown, red, maroon, you know, all the colors that you can think of, they have them. They also have some UV lights, so it's very much advised that you should use their UV lights in order to make sure that they stick on for longer. All the tools are in here, so any of the details will be in here. But if you want extra information and you want to order, I will put their handle over here. But to make it even better for you, I'll link their account down in the description box. So go over to the description box. I can't even talk because I'm so excited. But go to the description box to get the link to their page so that you can get yourself some nails. It's almost December, baby. It's almost December, baby. Why? Vlogmas Siabanga, and I actually have a red, so maybe I can leave that for Christmas. Yes, smart girls are up, honey. Smart girls are up. So without blabbering on for too long, let's quickly unbox. I'm gonna take you guys through the official unboxing. I shot a video where you guys are gonna see me unboxing everything, and then once we've done with that, we're going to get into me doing my nails. So let me just give you a quick sneak peek of what is in the box, but the official unboxing firsthand will follow right after this. So just to quickly take you through, we have our UV lamp, UV or LED nail lamp right over here. It's a mini one. I love it. You can toss it in your bag, you know, do your nails anywhere and everywhere. They have a branded Btartbox nail filer. I love it. Love it so much. We are within, baby. And then they have their French protecting X-coat tips. So these are builder gel and the lamp, so they work together. You have the builder gel that you can use with the lamp to make sure that you build things up. Everything is here, right? They have some directions for every step. And this is the star of the show. Yes, honey, yes. So these are the tips. This is how they look. Let me not unbox them. Let's do it together. And then these are the usage directions. So let's actually start working. I will see you guys when I'm done, when I look like a girly. Okay, let's get into it.
have it all. Rip the memories off the wall. All the special things I bought, they mean nothing to me anymore. But to you, they were everything we were. They meant more than every word. Now I know just what you love me for. Take all the money you want from me. Hope you become what you want to be. Show me how little you care, how little you care, how little you care. You dream of glitter and gold. My heart's already been sold. Show you how little I care. My diamonds stay with you. You're never gonna hear my heart break. Never gonna move in dark ways. Baby, you're so cruel. My diamonds stay with you. Material life won't fool me. When you're not here, I can't breathe. Think I always knew. My diamonds stay with you. Shake it off, shake the fear of feeling lost. Always me that pays the cost. I should never trust so easily. You lied to me, lied to me. Then you left with my heart around your chest. Take all the money you want from me. Hope you become what you want to be. Show me how little you care, how little you care, how little you care. You dream of glitter and gold. My heart's already been sold. Show you how little I care. My diamonds stay with you. You're never gonna hear my heart break. Never gonna move in dark ways. Baby, you're so cruel. My diamonds stay with you. Material life won't fault me. When you're not here, I can't breathe. I think I always knew. My diamonds stay with you. Diamonds, 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 diamonds. Ooh, my diamonds stay with you. Diamonds, 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 diamonds. My diamonds stay with you. You're never gonna hear my heart break. You're never gonna move in dark ways. Baby, you're so cruel. My diamonds stay with you. Material love won't fault me. When you're not here, I can't breathe. Think I always knew. My diamonds stay with you. You're never gonna hear my heart break. Never gonna move in dark ways. Baby, you're so cruel. My diamonds stay with you. Material love won't fault me. When you're not here, I can't breathe. I think I always knew. My diamonds stay with you. Diamonds, diamonds, diamonds. My diamonds stay with you. Diamonds, diamonds, diamonds. My diamonds stay with you.
I've been looking for you this whole life long. Every other lover had done me wrong. You'd think I'd have been hopeless, but I held out nonetheless. With every bit of faith I had, I held on. Believing you were out there, it made me strong. And now that I have you, only one thing I wanna do. Let's just make easy love. If you wanna please me, just get lost where no one can find us. Nothing to lose because we don't need